The Ulefone Armor 20WT is coming very soon, and it's going to be the first rugged phone from Ulefone to feature a DMR Walkie Talkie, just like the Conquest S23 5G. Its release date is unknown for now, but we might be seeing this device in March. The device would have a single camera at the rear, as you can see, a flash at the left side, and a speaker grill at the other side. As regarding the specs, I did some research and I was able to get some details from AliExpress. Having in mind that these details are not official, they might not be entirely correct, so make sure to take them with a pinch of salt. According to the specifications, the upcoming Ulefone Armor 20WT would flaunt a 5.65-inch Full HD Plus display. Its battery capacity is going to be 10,850 mAh, very large battery. It's going to be powered by the Helio G99 chip, and it's likely to run on the Android 12 operating system. Regarding the camera, like I mentioned earlier, the device seems to have a single camera at the rear, and according to the specs, the camera would be a 50MP camera. The phone would also feature a 16MP front camera for selfies and video calls. The phone's refresh rate is 60Hz. It's going to feature a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, NFC, and it's likely that the device would not have a 3.5mm headphone port. So these are the few specs that I was able to get, and like I mentioned earlier, the specs are not official, so they might not be entirely correct. Take them with a pinch of salt, guys. Anyway, that's all for the video. I'll keep you guys updated. If there's any update about the upcoming Ulefone Armor 20WT, I'll let you guys know. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications if you don't want to miss any latest updates. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.
Perfect.